Hi. You probably don't recognize me.
Should I?
You gave me up 30 years ago.
Sarah.
I found you.
Everything you just watched was made with AI, Seedance 2.0, and it costs me nothing. Seedance might be the best AI video tool out there right now. The clips are so clean that most people honestly can't tell that they are AI. And the problem, it is expensive. Or you can't even get access at all. So I found a way to use the real Seedance 2.0 for free on your computer and your phone in one app. I've been testing it for days and it works. You just have to know where to click. There are two limits everyone runs into, so stick around because near the end, I'll tell you the truth about both, including the unlimited trick everyone is selling. Here's what you're getting. How I made that opening scene with the same faces the whole way through. How I got around Seedance refusing to animate faces. The free way to use the real Seedance 2.0. The one setup that makes your clip look good. And the truth about unlimited hacks. I tried them all so you don't have to. The app is called Dola. You can get it on the Play Store or the App Store, or just use the website. It has got over 100 million downloads, so it's the real deal. And one thing, make sure it's the Dola video app that you're downloading and not the calendar one. Sign in with your Google account, confirm that you're over 18 and you're in. There's nothing to buy, no subscription. It is completely free. Making a clip takes about 1 minute to 3 minutes. Down at the bottom, tap AI video or more, then create video, depending on what you get on your account. And there it is, the real Seedance 2.0. Type in what you want and be specific. Say what you want in the shot, how you want it to move and the lighting. Pick how long you want the video to be and the aspect ratio, and then hit send. About a minute or 3 later, your clip is ready, and it even comes with sound. Oh, and one thing that threw me off, if the clip won't open on your computer, nothing is wrong with it, it's just a file type.
Hi.
Drop it into CapCut, and it plays totally fine.
Hi. You probably don't recognize me.
If you want your clips to actually look cinematic instead of a cheap and obviously AI-generated video, don't jump straight into the video. Make an image first. Get it looking exactly how you want, then animate that image. That way, you're deciding how it looks before you even spend the credits. There's one catch. It will not animate a real face. It's a safety thing, and that leads me into the best parts. That reunion at the start, let me show you how I made it, because it's the coolest thing that this tool can do for free. It's actually a few short clips stitched together. The hard part is keeping the same two faces in every clip. So here's what worked. I went into Dola's own chat and asked it to write me one master prompt, describing exactly what each person looks like and what they're wearing, where they are, the lighting, and even their voices. Then I pasted the same description into every single clip. You generate every part, we do it until the faces match. Honestly, it took me just a few tries. And then I stitched them together with a bit of music, and that's it. The whole scenes, the same faces, all the way through, completely free. Okay, on those two limits. 1, the credits. You get about 3 or 4 videos a day, and then you're done. But they reset every morning, so you get more videos the next day. Now you see a ton of videos promising unlimited with little tricks like staying logged out on your Android, hacks through Google skills or using several Google accounts. I tried the logout one on my computer, and honestly, it just didn't work. It might work on your phone though, so if you give it a try, let me know in the comment section. The honest answer is, Dola's free tool gets you a few videos every day. And if you want to make more videos, you either wait for the credits to reset the next day, or you get a cheap plan on Dreamina. 2. Every now and then, Seedance will refuse a perfectly normal prompt. Don't worry, you'll always get your credit back. Just drop your prompt into a chat and ask it to reword it, and it will go through. I put everything I used in this video, every prompt, every link, and even the master prompt template. I put them into one free pack. If you want it, just comment free pack and I'll reply with a link. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.